tale of Hauwahine and Meheanu, written and illustrated by the students and teachers of Ke Kula o Samio Manayakalani Kamakau. For Kupuna Rachel Konoilani Maguire and the Koa Wahine in our lives who nurture our leo Makuahine. Hauwahine was a mottled gray lizard that lived in Kailua, Oahu. She was the mo'o guardian of the Kawainui Pond. Her companion was a long white puhi named Meheanu. Meheanu was the guardian of He'eia Fish Pond. Meheanu often visited Hauwahine at Kawainui. One sunny day, they shared some fish, manini, moi, and u'u. The two guardians ate until they were full. Then the kia'i rested on the large rocks at Nā Pohaku o Hauwahine to bask in the warmth of the lā. Makai of them, they saw a fisherman preparing to throw his upena. His name was Kanakapï. Kanakapï threw his upena. Not long after, his net was heavy with manini, 400 upon 400. The two kia'i saw that Kanakapï caught a lot more i'a than he needed. Hauwahine then said to Meheanu, "Let's go test the generosity of this lawai'a." They dove into the water and changed into two beautiful women. When they emerged from the vai, they shouted, "Hooey!" and beckoned to Kanakapï. Kanakapï glanced over at the women. "Wow," he said to himself. "Those two wahine over there are very beautiful. Ho kanani." Of the hundreds of manini he caught, Kanakapï carefully chose the 8 smallest. The rest he hid. Kanakapï carried the 8 i'a by their tails to Nā Pohaku o Hauwahine, where the two wahine waited. Hauwahine and Meheanu said, "Those manini sure look ono. We're really pololi. Will you please share your manini with us?" "I have only 8 manini," replied Kanakapï. 4 manini for my ohana, and eha to share. Here's 2 manini for you, beautiful wahine, and elua manini for you, pretty wahine. Hauwahine and Meheanu were enraged by his stinginess. Ho kapi! Hauwahine immediately changed into a huge mottled gray mo'o. Meheanu changed into a long white puhi. Hauwahine hissed, and Meheanu's body writhed wildly. "Ka!" Kanakapï exclaimed in shock and bewilderment. Overcome by fear, he started to panic. He cried, "Forgive me for my stingy ways! E hui kalamai!" Hauwahine and Meheanu came closer to the lawai'a. "Awe!" he cried. "I have been pii, and I want to ho'oponopono my bad behavior. I will share all the i'a with my friends, my ho'aloha." Hauwahine and Meheanu bowed their po'o. They saw that Kanakapï was sorry for his stinginess. They accepted Kanakapï's promise to no longer be a Kanakapï. From that day on, he became a Kanaka loko mai ka'i. Pi holo Kaʻao. Sprinkled, the tail runs.